Yeah. Aditya, now this is the new topic we'll be starting with, and that is called as what? Command prompt. Fine. So what is command
Okay.
prompt? It comes with all the operating systems. It comes with Windows, with it comes with Linux, everything. And that is that. See, when this entire thing started, Windows operating system started. First, it has a basic operating system called as DOS, disk operating system. And from this DOS, the next operating system
Okay.
generated was Windows. So all the commands which are available in DOS are available in Windows, and Windows can
Okay.
operate it. So for question comes like why this is required. Basically, Adi, this is required for two purposes. First, you should be able to interact with the command not by clicking on the options, but by giving instructions. That is
Okay.
commands. That is the real purpose of computer. Fine. So what is difference between command and request, Adi?
Difference between what?
Command and request.
Command is to order something and request is to
Yeah,
ask for something.
correct. Command is to order something, get it done. Fine. And command cannot be rejected. It has to be completed. It has to be executed. And when it comes to request,
Yes.
anybody can request, and that request you can deny. You can say no
Request can be
successful.
rejected.
So when it comes to computer, it's command always. It's not request. We never say to the computer, please chalu ho jao, and it start. No, no. We say start, and it starts. See, this is my start button. So when I click on start, it starts. So it obeys your command. Got it? Fine. So how to work with this command? To work with this command, we are having basic option called as run option in that is run option in Windows run. We'll be using command. What is that? We click it here, and we use here CMD CD. This is the option CMD. Technically called as command. Fine. When I click on this, I get
Okay.
this kind of prompt. So this is very much big in size. I'm just trying to reduce the size of this.
Okay.
So yeah, just trying to reduce this. So this entire thing is called as command window. This C colon users and something is called as what? Command prompt. The thing which is blinking here is called as cursor. And see this line which is invisible, but my cursor moves backward and forward. My cursor moves backward and forward. That is called as what? Command line. So when you press enter, it goes for new prompt. It shows new prompt, and that is the reason we are.
Sir, can you repeat from start command?
Sorry.
Actually, voice was breaking. Voice was breaking, that's why.
Okay, now I'm audible.
There was a network issue on my side.
Okay, fine. Okay, no problem. Uh, Now see this entire thing is called as what? Command window. Fine. And this is having administration permissions. That means it can execute all the commands. So this black area is called as what? Command window. And this C colon slash users slash user laptop. This thing is called as what? This is called as prompt, command prompt. Fine. And the thing which is blinking here is called as cursor. See, when I run on this now, this is my command line. See, my cursor moves here and
Okay.
there. So this is called as what? Command line. Fine. When I press enter, it gives me one more prompt. Got it? Fine. Now, what is my purpose, Adina? I want to explain you this 6 7 commands. The first command is date. Now, what is date command? It shows date as well as change date, and that date was previously available into MMDDYY format. But now things are changed. We are having India as a well-used computer country, and so Microsoft updated their date format as per our Indian formats also. Then, if you want to
Okay.
change any kind of date, you should have that privileges. What is privileges? That is permissions. Fine. If you want
Okay.
to change that date, if you're administrator, you can change the date, but if you're not administrator, you can't change the date. Second important thing command is
Hmm.
time. See, when I say time, it shows me the time as well as it allows me to change the time. Fine. And that time is always in hours, minutes, seconds, and dot milliseconds format. So computer provides time up to what? Up to milliseconds. Third important command is like CLS, that is to clear the screen. Suppose I have typed lot many things, and to clear that, I'll be using CLS. Fine.
Okay.
Next, we'll be using version, that is VER, that is version command. Mostly it will explain you what is the version here. See, in this example, we are having version as what? Windows, Microsoft Windows, and version is 6.2. Now, yesterday we created a file in two formats. We
Okay.
created a file into WordPad as well as Notepad also. Fine. So, if you want to create file using command, the command is called as copycon and file name, where con indicates name of the console. What is con? It's a name of the console. Fine. And technically,
Okay.
console is having 4-5 similar names. See, we called as a monitor, we called as a display unit, we called as console, we called as VDU, that is visual display terminal, but visual display unit. So these are different names for your monitor, and one of them is what? Con, that is console. Fine. So what black
Okay.
area I see, I say this is my Windows console. Got it? Next,
Okay.
if you want to save
Yes.
a file in Windows, we say Control S. But if you are saving file in DOS, you have to say Control Z. If you press Control Z
Okay.
in Windows, it will undo the things. Got it? After that, the next command is type.
Hmm.
So what is type? It will show contents in the file. मतलब जो भी file के अंदर लिखा है, it will show everything which is written inside that file. After that, if you want to see
Okay.
how many files, directories, and what is the size of the files when the file was created, we'll be using dir command. Sometimes, and few people call this as what? Drive information report. That is
Okay.
dir, drive
Okay.
information report. So what it shows, see, if this is my drive information, so this shows this information. What is it? My drive is called as C drive. Fine. It is into, I'm currently looking into users folder. Inside this folder, I am having some dates here. On this date and on this timing, I created a directory. So see, these are two directories. These are not created by us. These are created by Windows itself.
Okay.
First is dot and second is dot dot.
Hmm.
So when it is dot, it represents current directory.
Yes.
And when it is dot dot, it represents parent directory. It goes back. Fine. Now, see,
Hmm.
after in the front of this dir, this there is a folder name, a directory name that is called as what? Contact. So I have
Con
contact, desktop, home, downloads, favorite, links, music, picture. These are my directory names. As well as I am having a file here which is called as what? Raj.txt. The file which I created here,
Hmm.
that is displayed into my file. See, that file is having 38 bytes stored into this. So see, as per this
Okay.
report, it is saying me there is one file, 13 directories. The number of bytes consumed by file is what? 38, and the number of bytes which is consumed by directory, it is 4.051 and so on bytes free. Got it?
Okay.
Suppose due to some reason, if I want to delete this ras.txt file, I'll be using delete command. Fine. So what is this delete?
Hmm.
I say delete and file name, and I remove the file from your PC, and that will be permanently removed from your PC. After that,
Okay.
yeah, if I'm tired with the work and I have to close down this Windows, I'll be saying exit, exit, exit. So I say exit, and my
Hmm.
window is closed. I'm out of that. Fine. After
Okay.
Fine. After this, I go little below down, and there is one more command called as Notepad. Last time we understood this command. There is Notepad. So I say
Yes.
Notepad and file name. So I try to access that information using Notepad and file name. Fine. So if see
Hmm.
these are the contents which are written by me in the file. That is copycon and some contents here. When I say Notepad, I am getting content here. Fine. I change the content here, and I said my
Hmm.
name is this, my address is this, my phone number is this, and I save this. If you resave the command again, you'll be visible with the command. Fine. Hello Adi.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, you're there, na? Fine. Yeah. Now suppose
Yes, sir.
this is what I'm opening my notepad. Now second important thing, I'm using a calculate command, that is calci. Yesterday on the second lecture we have used it.
Okay.
When you say calci na, it shows us
Yes.
calculator. Fine. So these are some
Yes.
basic commands which I am seeing here. So I want to
Hmm.
just teach you all these commands here, how they are operated. So
Sir, your voice is breaking. Sir, your voice is breaking. Not audible.